Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you what is a data science and who is data scientist. I'm also going to teach you the difference between data scientist and machine learning engineer or the machine learning scientist and data analyst and data engineer. And we're also going to learn the type of questions that the data scientist can answer. And this topic is from the machine learning section, which is called supervised and unsupervised learning, and it's one of the main topics that any data scientist should know. That's why I covered it here. And then I'm going to show you some real life application of data science, which means I'm going to also show you what type of value that a data science can add to any organization. Since it's an introduction course, I'm also going to show you some of the skills that are needed in order for you to become a data scientist. I'm also going to show you how you can start studying for data science, and I'm also going to show you how you should practice data science using a platform called Kaggle. And then I'm going to mention some of the certification in the field of data science, and at the end I'm going to show you some of the books that I read in data science that I really liked and helped me a lot in understanding data science. So I'm excited for you to enroll in this course and learn from this course, and please don't forget to rate the course. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Fahad Masood Rida. I've been teaching data science for over 5 years now, and I've been MIS mentor, which is Management Information System mentor, since 2008. I have bachelor degree in Management Information System from King Abdulaziz University, and I have masters in Computer Information System from the same university. My master thesis was in the field of data science, and I'm also a WordPress master for more than 8 years. That's pretty much it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.